started getting bit. Goodness gracious, that's a good start, huh, guys? Not a big guy, but he's decent. Little 1 pounder, maybe 1.25 pounds. Beautiful bass on the Ned rig, guys. Sometimes I hate getting bit right off that first cast. Hopefully it's not a first cast jinx, but guess what? You got to start somewhere, guys. And one is better than none, so let's not have that negative attitude. Let's keep fishing. I think this water feature is supposed to be aerating this thing, and it's not. Sure wish it was. I'd have a little bit better water clarity if it was. See if I can skip up into one of these drains. There we go. I like pinch points and corners. Let's go right up into that corner. A lot of times in them pinch points and corners, bass, that's what they do, is they trap the bait fish up inside there. So if they think that's a bait fish, a lot of times they'll corner that guy up inside there and go to work on him. We've got a fat Ica tied on. I like to run my fat Ica upside down. We're going to throw this fat Ica on a Geeko rig. Let it sit out there weighted for a few minutes and see what happens. This Geeko rig helps you stay in contact with the bottom. Sometimes it'll help you get a little bit bigger bite, but as we know in bass fishing, there's no guarantees. I got something right there though. Had something. Missed him. I'm going to tell you why I missed him, more than likely. There's not a ton of bite gap right there. So that hook penetration is going to be tough because this bait is so thick. But we're going to keep running it. That was probably a small bass. I think if I get a bigger fish, I'll be able to get that hook penetration, because they'll eat that bait versus just pecking at it. So it's the fat Ica on a Geeko rig. Say that 3 times fast, huh? There's one. Did he keep with it? Got that one. Not a giant, but it's a good starter. At least with that size. He's what, 1 pound? Got him right in the side of the mouth there. Little 1 pound largemouth. Beautiful fish on the old fat Ica. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. He ripped that up pretty good, but we're going to send it back out again anyway. Right up in that grass, and I mean they're deep up in that grass, and he's coming up into that grass and smashing some bait or eating some insects or doing something. He's came up twice since I've been here, and I've only been here about 10 minutes maybe. There's a bite. Something messing with it, or at least pecking at it. Is that one? It is. Nicer fish too. Wow, he's just a handsome devil. Wow, it felt like a nicer fish. Wow, you are a strong guy. Why are you so strong for a 1 pounder, huh? Might even be a little smaller than that last one, but wow, you're aggressive. Nothing like a largemouth bass, man. They are strong, durable, gritty sons of guns. Thank you, sir. It's 2 on that fat Ike, and I might be able to get a 3rd one off him on that little Geeko rig. I mean, what do they think that is, you know? Kind of looks like carrot top, but instead of red hair, he's just got it brown or green pumpkin. Just in case you think I'm crazy and you're like, what in the world is the fat Ica? That's that 4-inch fat Ica right there. Another fine product by Gary Yamamoto. Better look, kind of looks like a little poop bait. Wait. Got him. Decent fish. Come on in, Papa. I felt you barely tugging down there. I knew you were trying to be slick, but you're a beautiful fish. Barely had you hooked, huh? It's about 1.25 pounds, guys. So far, everything on that little Ned